Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your domain name in Hostinger website builder. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on websites from the top. Next to your Hostinger website builder website, click on these little three dots and click on change domain. You need to know that by changing your website's domain, you will lose all the emails data related to this domain name. Check that you understand that and hit change. Fill in your domain name, for example, benstestinghosting.com. As you can see, my domain is registered and I need to confirm ownership. Now click on next and hit confirm. And as you can see, my domain name is successfully changed. And don't forget to give this video a like. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.